Hi everyone, welcome back to this video. Now in the previous video I talked about the why. In today's video I'm going to talk about what are the small businesses that you can start from your home. Now welcome back to this video. Now if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. So what are the business are you into, especially if you are talking about working from home? It's so broad. Now in this video, I'm not going to cover about affiliate marketing, MLM or dropshipping because all these are the common types of businesses which you can do easily. However, the application and the learning curve is quite long, and all these different types of business model, you cannot really build a brand on your own. So what we are looking into is to build our own brand. For this home-based business, basically you own it and it is an asset. And especially you can create multiple types of brands that is related to your core brand. At the same time, you are actually building up this asset for your own. We are going to look into some of the products which can give you a very short learning curve and at the same time learn how to build a brand. So it is fast and it will be easy to implement. It will not be a long learning curve whereby you need to learn a lot of technical stuff. Those will be covered in a different video whereby you will see a lot of people doing affiliate marketing, MLM or dropshipping. So all this might require a lot of software. We are going to look at things that we can do and start almost immediate. It is going to be a physical product and it's not going to be something that's virtual. Although I know that there's a lot of virtual stuff that you can sell online. However, we are looking really into a brick and mortar business that you can start from your home. In this video, I'm going to go through with you 4 types of products which I summarize into the R.E.A.L, which is the real home business. The first one is rainbow kits. I'm sure you have never heard about this thing called rainbow kits. However, I did my research and found that this rainbow kits actually sells in terms of thousands every single month. Now all these products that you can do, the DIY products, you can easily customize it yourself and you can sell this kind of DIY rainbow kit by going to your nearby DIY store and actually package it. So it's easy to source from your local DIY store, and what I mean is that you can also walk into some of the DIY shop and look at where can you source all this product to start with. You can easily pack them into a bag and then sell it at a price in batches or using a certain festive theme. Now if you want to have the details on how people do it, you can always go to etsy.com and have a look. And the range that they're selling this product at is about $15 to $50 USD, and you can ship it worldwide. I would recommend you to start testing with your local market because it's not all the product that you start with you will sell well. We want to understand the demand first before creating the full range of products or products that you need to put in more money. Now next is this Epoxy Resin Clock Kit. I know you might not have heard of this before because this kind of products might not be very common in Asian market, but however the DIY industry is very matured in Asia. Now selling the Epoxy Resin Clock is a DIY kit whereby your customer just need to mix certain mixture to produce the type of design that they choose. Your job is to source from your DIY local store and to package it into a bag by the team that they chosen and then mail it to them. A variation that you can come up with is to add accessories into this clock. It could be a toy theme, it could be a festive theme like Christmas, it can be also a theme for birthday. So all this is possible accessories that you can add into the clock itself. And you can sell it in a single unit. The price range is about $5 to $25 US depending on the type of accessories and on the complexity of the clock. Again, you can check on etsy.com. Now next is A. It's called the Adwin calendar kit. It is basically like a countdown calendar or Advent Christmas countdown kit for people to count down before the actual day. Could be to an event or to a birthday party or to Christmas day. You can again source from your DIY store on the types of accessories that is required to build this kit. And you can pack them into a bag by theme. For example, the Christmas theme, the event theme, or for a specific team building theme. Again, you can add accessories. For more details, check out Etsy. And you can sell it in a single unit. Also, you can source it locally or from overseas. Price range is about $10 to $32 US dollar. I'll say that this price range is basically quite good for anyone that want to start a home-based business. Next is the lip balm kit. Now the lip balm is basically used in most countries that the weather is colder or the weather there is at least 4 seasons. The lip balm kit actually sells very well in the western country, and you can actually do a homemade lip balm for yourself. If you travel often or if you are going to stay in the aircon room for a long period of time, you definitely would need this lip balm kit. Again, you can source it from local DIY store or from overseas in terms of the ingredients, in terms of the packaging. All this can be sourced quite cheaply. You just need to assemble the products into a package and sell it to your customer. So again, packed into boxes is the common way that they handle this product. You can pack it into bags as well. Add accessories into it, like different flavors, different types of packaging type, or you can add additional things that comes together with the lip balm. So you can check out on Etsy on what are the ideas that you can have to package this lip balm together with the side products that you can create. Again, sell in packages, and the price range between $5 to $60 USD, which is quite profitable if you're asking me in terms of profit that you can make out of your home. So in summary, this video I covered the 4 types of physical products, which is the R.E.A.L, the real products that you can actually source and make from your own home. First of all, I would suggest that you source it locally and then package to sell it, and if it sells well, you can source for lower price overseas. For example, you can source it in Alibaba in China. And I would like you to brainstorm based on these 4 ideas. What is the one product that you can come up with for your home-based business? Today, you can start to walk around local DIY store or even research online first to see what products that you love. Now, I would say that do something that you like. Do something that you always want to do, and it will give you a better return in terms of sustainability. You can also combine 2 niches. For example, a clock with lettering, a clock with decal. So there's many variations you come up with, and you can actually create a specific market that have not existed yet. Now lastly is to create a brand. How can you have a brand? It's very simple. All you need to do is just to get some sticker paper, design it and print it out, and you can just stick it onto the products that you produce. So having a branding is very simple. There's no need to worry about trademark at this moment, or getting a website, or getting a domain. So what we want to do is quickly test out your idea. Will there be any customer buying your product? Then you go on to the next step of getting a product, register a company, and do whatever that you need. So I hope that this video is useful to you, and I'll see you in the next video.